Hello everyone, friends. At Calvel, I'm going to show you how to make content, yes, in Google Docs or automatic content. To do this, we choose the right one. By the way, I've already created it here. To do this, choose the text we need, respectively. We need to make it, accordingly, as a title. That's why we choose headings here. Yes, that is, here's the first one. Well, let's make the second heading under the first one in the same way. Oh, here's the second headline, right? That's it. Well, go through each, respectively, your index, yes, where you will need to create headings. After that, I go back to where I need to insert the contents. I click the Add button, Page Elements, then Tables with Content, yes, and choose accordingly the desired form, and immediately all the content is automatically pulled up. That is, even if you have added a new one, yes. Click on Update here, and a new one will appear. That's all. Bye-bye to you.